Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Kismia online dating site using your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile devices. Go to the URL box and then type in kismia.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page of Kismia. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by creating a new one by entering your email, selecting your gender, and clicking on continue. Follow through the process till the end and answer some of your details in order to finish off your registration. If you want to log into an existing account, click the login button appearing at the top of the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the login page. Type in your email address that is associated with your Kismia account and make sure to type in the same email that you chose while registering for Kismia. After you are done filling in the correct email, on the next field, type in your password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on Forgot Password and follow through the reset process. After you have your email address and password, click Login, and then you should be able to find yourself in the main home page on Kismia. That is how you can easily log into Kismia account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.